Hi, how you doing? I'm here with my 2018 Toyota Highlander. I'll show you how to reset the maintenance reminder. You're going to end up using the buttons on the steering wheel here. There's actually two ways of doing it, but I'm going to try to do it with the buttons on the steering wheel. And you're going to look at your cluster, your display. You're going to scroll over to the right till you get to this gear symbol. And you're going to scroll down until you see scheduled maintenance. You're going to hit this button here as your enter button. Go ahead and enter, and I'll ask you if you want to reset. And you're just going to confirm with yes. It's that simple. The other way of doing it is with the trip button you have here. And you're going to have to set the odometer on trip. And you're going to turn the car off. Okay, you're going to take your foot off the brake. You're going to press and hold down the trip button. Then you're going to hit the start stop button over here. You're going to hit it 2 times. Okay, and it'll actually let you show you it's resetting the maintenance down there. So there's 2 ways of doing it. Doesn't matter which way you do it. Thanks for watching.